Did you know a king let his own cousin die just to protect his image? In 1917, the Russian Revolution swept Tsar Nicholas II from power. He was trapped, with no allies and no way out. Britain's government offered the Romanovs asylum. It seemed like the obvious move. Nicholas and King George V were first cousins. They looked so alike that even historians mix up their photos. They grew up together. They signed letters to each other as Nicky and Georgie. But George V pulled the offer. His advisors warned him. British workers were exhausted by war. Sheltering a deposed autocrat could spark real unrest at home. George agreed. The offer quietly disappeared. No public announcement, no explanation, just silence. Nicholas and his family were moved to Siberia. In July of 1918, they were executed in a basement in Yekaterinburg, all 7 of them. George V never spoke publicly about his decision, not once. 2 cousins raised by the same grandmother. One had the power to act. He chose his crown over his family.